Beginner's Guide to Authorize Net Webhook Setup is designed to help you understand and implement webhooks for your online business. To get started, you need to have an Authorize Net account and a basic understanding of web development. First step is to log in to your Authorize Net account and navigate to the Webhooks section. Here you will find the option to create a new webhook. You need to provide a name and a URL where the webhook notifications will be sent. The URL should be a publicly accessible endpoint on your server where you can receive and process the webhook notifications. You also need to specify the events you want to receive notifications for, such as payment, authorizations, or settlements. Once you have created the webhook, you need to configure your server to receive and process the notifications. This typically involves writing a script that can handle HTTP post requests and parse the JSON data sent by Authorize Net. When a webhook notification is sent to your server, it will include a signature that you can use to verify the authenticity of the request. You should always verify the signature to prevent unauthorized access to your server. To verify the signature, you need to use the HMAC-SHA-512 algorithm and the secret key provided by Authorize Net. You can use a programming language like PHP or Python to implement the verification logic. Best practice is to keep your secret key secure and never expose it in your code. You should also implement error handling and logging to track any issues with your webhook setup. In conclusion, setting up an Authorize Net webhook is a straightforward process that requires a basic understanding of web development and API integration. By following these steps and best practices, you can successfully implement webhooks for your online business and start receiving real-time notifications for important events. Remember to always verify the signature of incoming webhook notifications and keep your secret key secure to prevent unauthorized access to your server. With this guide, you should be able to set up and start using Authorize Net webhooks in no time.